This is what happens when you put a physics professor out to pasture. I have lots of spare time. So what I've done here is I've hung 45 pendulum. And I have the length of each one set so at the end of 95 seconds, they're in an exact certain position. So for example, at 95 seconds, this one has already undergone 56 3/4 of an oscillation. One over here may have done 55.2 oscillations, 37.6 oscillations, and so on. So at the end of 95 seconds, they'll be at a certain position. Now I have to be very precise. So instead of just the standard way you might have seen the pendulum wave, this is not that. This will be way more precise. So to release them, I have electromagnets along here. So when I turn it on, they're all set up along electromagnets, so they're released at exactly the same time. Now you see along here with this curve, I've adjusted the pivot points so that they all line up in a straight line, just as you can see. So let's see what it's going to look like at 95 seconds.